to create a special video to demonstrate how we can use our crypto ATM for buy and for sell cryptocurrency. First step, we're going to buy, select type of cryptocurrency, ATM waiting, and the next step we should show our wallet, address of wallet, press next. ATM ask to the server for current exchange rate, and now we put money into ATM. Okay, press next. Transaction going to proceed. Okay, payment successful. I have a message. Okay, and press print receipt. Okay, it's receipt of transaction, and I have a message in my wallet about payment some minutes ago receiving. Okay, that's all. Next. Okay. And on the next step, we will sell cryptocurrency. Select type of transaction, select type of coin, and now we will input amount. Press next. And the next step, we're going to scan address wallet. Okay, send transaction. Okay, transaction sent. Okay, and the money is going. We can print receipt. Okay, that's all. Thank you.